Hi everyone, welcome back Machine Master 79.
The Evolving Kings, Cat Dozers, D1 to D11. Caterpillar D1, the compact powerhouse. The modern Caterpillar D1 represents the start of a new generation of small dozers built for precision and control. Weighing in at around 8 tons and powered by a 77 horsepower Cat C 3.6 diesel engine, it's designed for fine grading, residential construction, and landscaping. Despite its small size, the D1 is packed with innovative technology, grade control, joystick steering, and a sealed, pressurized cab. Operators love it for its comfort and visibility. The D1's hydrostatic transmission delivers smooth and precise control even on steep terrain. This machine is perfect for tight areas where bigger dozers can't fit. Yet it still carries the same DNA as Caterpillar's largest machines. The D1 proves that power isn't about size. It's about precision, efficiency, and endurance, the true spirit of modern Cat engineering. Caterpillar D2, small frame, big ambition. The modern Cat D2 takes the legacy of the legendary D2 from the 1930s and turns it into a high-tech compact beast. With a 92 horsepower Cat C 3.6 engine and an operating weight of about 8.5 tons, it's perfect for small to mid-sized construction projects, forestry roads, and utilities. The D2 offers a new level of agility with its hydrostatic transmission and fully digital control system. Caterpillar's Slope Assist helps operators maintain perfect grading angles automatically, making even new operators look like pros. From small farms to job sites where precision matters most, the D2 is a reliable workhorse. It's efficient, versatile, and built to last for decades. A small bulldozer that punches way above its weight. Caterpillar D3, the smart compact dozer. The new Cat D3 brings intelligence and comfort together in one agile frame. Weighing about 9 tons and powered by a 104 horsepower Cat C 3.6 engine, this dozer is a favorite for grading, small site prep, and urban construction. Its low-effort joystick control, automatic track tensioning, and improved undercarriage design give the D3 excellent balance and traction. The cab is pure modern luxury. Heated seat, Bluetooth audio, touchscreen display, and built-in grade control. The D3 is a compact dozer for the competent operator, built for the digital job site. When you need finesse, accuracy, and Cat reliability in one small package, the D3 is ready to go to work. Caterpillar D4, the professional's choice. The modern Cat D4, formerly known as D6K2, is the professional's dozer. At 13 tons with 130 horsepower, it delivers the ideal blend of size, power, and precision. It's built for fine grading, road construction, and heavy site prep, where accuracy and efficiency pay the bills. The D4 features advanced electronics like Cat Grade, with 3D, slope assist, and an auto carry system that improves blade load consistency. With its perfect balance and outstanding fuel economy, the D4 is loved by operators and owners alike. From subdivision grading to final passes on highway projects, this is the dozer you trust to finish the job right. Caterpillar D5, power and precision, perfected. Meet the Caterpillar D5, the sweet spot between agility and brute strength. It weighs around 19 tons and packs up to 170 horsepower from a Cat C 7.1 engine. Designed for production dozing and fine grading alike, the D5 uses an electronically controlled hydrostatic transmission for silky smooth power delivery. Its advanced cab includes a large touch display, automatic grade control, and multiple power modes for fuel savings. Whether it's highway construction, land clearing, or building foundations, the D5 does it all. It's built for professionals who want muscle and precision in one package, the modern gold standard of the mid-size class. D6XE, the hybrid game changer. The D6XE isn't just a bulldozer, it's a revolution. This is the world's first high-drive electric dozer, weighing around 24 tons and delivering 215 horsepower with incredible torque. The electric drive provides up to 35% better fuel efficiency and unmatched smoothness when pushing large volumes of material. It's ideal for mass earth-moving, road construction, and large-scale grading where productivity and control matter most. With over-the-air software updates, onboard diagnostics, and precision GPS systems, the D6XE represents the future of dozing. Quiet, efficient, and powerful. It's the bridge between classic cat muscle and next-gen technology. Caterpillar D7, the heavyweight specialist. The new Caterpillar D7 brings serious power and efficiency to the job site. It weighs about 29 tons and boasts a 265 horsepower Cat C 9.3B engine with an advanced torque converter drive. Built for pipeline, forestry, and quarry work, the D7 features fully automatic gear shifting and load-sensing hydraulics that maximize fuel efficiency and pushing power. It also supports remote control operation, giving operators more safety in hazardous environments. With its elevated sprocket design and unbeatable balance, the D7 stands tall as a heavy-duty dozer that blends power and intelligence in perfect harmony. Caterpillar D11T, the modern earth mover. The D11T is the workhorse that defines the heavy dozer category. Weighing around 40 tons and powered by a 354 horsepower Cat C15 engine, it's built for large construction sites, mining support, and land reclamation. The D11T can move nearly 20% more material per hour than its predecessors thanks to advanced load-sensing hydraulics and optimized blade design. Operators benefit from a fully digital command center inside the cab and semi-autonomous auto-carry and auto-rip functions. The D11T is where efficiency meets raw power, designed to push more dirt for every drop of diesel. It's one of the most trusted machines in the Cat lineup today. Caterpillar D11T, the power icon. The Cat. D11T is a global legend, and in its modern form, it's more powerful and efficient than ever. Weighing 49 tons and driven by a 405 horsepower Cat C18 engine, the D11T is made for mining, heavy construction, and large earth-moving operations. It can push over 40 cubic yards of material in a single pass. The high-drive undercarriage and modular powertrain design make maintenance faster and downtime shorter. In desert mines, quarries, and massive construction zones, the D11T is a true king of production. Every roar of its engine is a reminder. This is Caterpillar heritage in motion. Caterpillar D10T2, the giant of productivity. Step into the Caterpillar D10T2, a 70-ton monster with 766 horsepower roaring from a Cat C27 engine. Built for mining and large-scale earth-moving, it delivers unmatched pushing force and long-term durability. Its blade capacity can reach up to 27 cubic yards, and its advanced load control systems ensure maximum traction on any surface. The D10T2's cab features premium ergonomics, touchscreen control, and integrated telematics for performance monitoring. This dozer was built to move mountains, literally. The D10T2 stands as one of the most productive and fuel-efficient heavy dozers in the world. Caterpillar D11T, the king of kings. Finally, the Caterpillar D11T, the largest, most powerful dozer in production. Weighing nearly 115 tons and powered by a C32 engine producing 850 horsepower, the D11T dominates mining and mega earth-moving projects worldwide. Its massive blade can carry 43 cubic yards of material in one push. The elevated sprocket design, automatic load control, and remote operation capabilities make it both powerful and precise. From the mines of Australia to the quarries of America, The D11T is not just a machine. It's a force of nature. Every push reshapes the landscape. Every roar echoes through history. It is and will remain the king of kings in the world of bulldozers.